Despite high vaccination rates in the Northeast and the highest in Vermont, doctors say Delta is real and it's boosting case counts. And if things don't change, it could get worse. Local 22's Dana Casulo is live in the newsroom tonight with more. Dana?
Lauren, the infectious diseases doctor at UVMMC told me he is worried about the fall if people don't get vaccinated. This mutated version of the virus is twice as likely to spread from person to person.
It's just as deadly, and so it's a big cause of the uptick in cases lately.
Dr. Tim Leahy, an infectious diseases specialist at the University of Vermont Medical Center, says the symptoms are the same.
The good news is that although Delta spreads really easily, people who are vaccinated are still quite well protected from severe disease and death. But no vaccination is 100% perfect.
Governor Phil Scott took to social media to urge those still unvaccinated to roll up their sleeve. The state's vaccination rate has hovered around 83% for a while, leaving 90,000 Vermonters vulnerable.
I think Delta is mostly a sign that people who are not vaccinated need to go get vaccinated to stay safe and keep their neighbors safe.
Here's a look at the trend of new cases over the past month in Vermont.
Most people who are getting sick now and adding their numbers to the case counts are people who are not vaccinated, who are more vulnerable to COVID than they ever have been before.
COVID Support VT helps people cope with the pandemic through education and emotional support. The project director, Alex Carambola, says people have been calling with concerns about the Delta variant.
Because there's so many different places around the country right now that are having different experiences and impacts, I think that there just is a lot of uncertainty around what the next chunk of time is going to hold for us collectively.
Dr. Leahy says he is worried about the fall if people are not vaccinated.
I would say that we have now had millions and millions of people vaccinated with the most intense global scrutiny of a vaccine we have ever had. And we know this vaccine is safe and effective, and there is no time like the present to get it done.
COVID Support VT offers a call system and workshops, and we will have more information about that on our website. Reporting live in the newsroom, Dana Casulo, Local 22 News.